Welcome to Priyanka Fabulous, and here we are learning how to deal with all types of government examinations, bank exams or any type of UPSC, state examinations, all of these. So first of all, let us learn how to stay cool before any type of examinations. People will teach you everything, but this is something that you should know. This is the part of yoga which you can use before going for any types of examinations. This doesn't require you to have any fancy clothing. This doesn't require any sort of mat or anything. Just showing you on this mat because, but you can do it on anything, just on the floor also, so it's quite okay. Let me tell you the name of the asanas we are going to do. We are going to do 11 asanas, and in summary, I am going to call this as pranayam. Okay? For those who don't know what is a pranayam, it is a type of total yogasanas that helps you relax your brain, that helps you get into a new mode, that helps you learn, and that helps you get into focus of what you really and truly want. Okay? So let's start. हिंदी में भी बोलूंगी कि ये जो हम करने वाले हैं उसे प्राणायाम बोलते हैं. इसमें हम 11 आसन्स करेंगे और ये आसन्स आपको हमेशा रिलैक्स रहने में मदद करेंगे. एग्जाम के पहले, एग्जाम के जस्ट बाद आप कहीं गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं तो भी आसन्स कर सकते हैं, और हम इससे गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनेशंस को कॉन्कर करने का एक तरीका ढूंढेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट. सबसे पहले है ओमकार. ओमकार का अर्थ है हमें इस पद्मासन में बैठना है. नाउ हाउ टू गो इनटू पद्मासन. ये हम नॉर्मली बैठते हैं. इस लेग को ऐसे रखिए, इस लेग को ऐसे रखिए. लीव योर हैंड्स लाइक दैट and put them like that. Remember, it should be like that and not like this. It should be like this. Okay? So ऐसे. And please ऐसे मत कीजिए, नहीं तो जो एनर्जी आपकी है वो नीचे चली जाएगी फ्लोर में. नहीं, it should always be like that. Okay? तो ओमकार, ओम को ओम नहीं बोलना है, ओ म ऐसे बोलना है. ओके? अब ध्यान से मुझे देखिए. तीन बार कीजिए, अथवा अगर आपके पास उतनी शक्ति और टाइम है तो 10 बार या 10 मिनट के लिए कीजिए. ओके, बट आई विल सजेस्ट दैट 3 बार कीजिए. उससे एक तरह की अलग तरह की शांति आप लोगों को मिल जाएगी. ओके, सेकेंड आसन जो हम करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है भ्रामरी. ओके, ये 3 फिंगर्स फोरहेड पे रखिए. ये फिंगर सॉफ्टली आईलिड पे रखिए और ये फिंगर से अपने ईयर्स बंद कीजिए. क्लोज योर माउथ एंड डू द सेम थिंग, दैट इज द ओम, एंड इन दिस वे. While opening your eyes also, don't open them directly. ये दोनों फिंगर्स के बीच में लाइए एंड फेस पुल कीजिए. इसमें आपकी बॉडी साइज, योर बॉडी साइज डजंट मैटर, नॉट एज योर बॉडी टाइप. आपके पास ऑयली स्किन है, ड्राई स्किन है, कोई चीज मैटर नहीं करने वाली है. ये एग्जाम के पहले किए जाने वाले रिलैक्सेशन प्रोसेसेस में से एक में आपको सिखा रही हूँ. Okay. Third asana we are going to do is called Anulom Vilom, also called as Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Okay, so let's see. These 2 fingers, V for victory, यहाँ पे रखनी है. ये 2 fingers यहाँ पे, ये finger यहाँ पे. exercise you have to do for 10 times, 5 times from the right side, 5 times from the left side, and don't worry if you do it more or less, it doesn't matter. एक बात ध्यान में रखिए, इस प्रोसेस में हम राइट से ब्रीद इन करते हैं, लेफ्ट से ब्रीद आउट करते हैं, लेफ्ट से ब्रीद इन करते हैं, राइट से ब्रीद आउट करते हैं, एंड दिस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूज एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर कंफर्टेबल. ओके. एक बात खास ध्यान में रखना है, दिस थिंग इज टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड, कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट, बट देयर इज नो नीड टू लाइक डू इट स्ट्रेट सो दैट इट क्रैक्स. नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. थोड़ा सा बेंड हुआ, आपके ध्यान में आया तो अगेन यू कैन स्ट्रेटन योर बैक. देयर इज नो नीड टू बी अफ्रेड. शोल्डर्स जो है वो हमेशा रिलैक्स होनी चाहिए. ओके. द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज कॉल्ड कपालभाति. अगर आपको थोड़ी भी सर्दी है, यू हैव सम कफ और कोल्ड, सो डोंट बी स्केयर्ड, जस्ट टेक दिस handkerchief, it will be all right. Okay. Kapalbhati, there's going to be one with the left side, one with the right side, and one in the center. And I'll show you how. This finger to be kept here. Remember, this part will move by itself. You don't need to purposely move this part. Okay. Okay. Watch me. Okay. Second part. Third part. इसमें एक पॉइंट नोट करने लायक है. यू हैव टू नोट अ पॉइंट. स्टार्टिंग में जब आप ये करेंगे तो आपका मन करेगा आंखें खोलने का. इट्स ओके, यू कैन जस्ट स्लाइटली ओपन योर आईज लाइक दैट एंड देन शट देम बैक. वी आर नॉट यूज्ड टू क्लोजिंग आवर आईज फॉर दिस लॉन्ग. तो स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे होना काफी नेचुरल है. ऑल्सो इफ यू आर अनेबल टू सिट इन दिस पोजिशन, इट्स क्वाइट ओके. पद्मासन में नहीं बैठ सकते हो आप तो अर्ध पद्मासन में बैठिए. योर नी टचिंग लेग एंड लेग टचिंग नी अल्टरनेटली. ओके. इट्स क्वाइट ओके, डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है इसमें. Okay. The next part we'll do is called as Bastrika. Now we'll do Bastrika, Shitkari and Shitali. I'll show you all three. Okay. ये जो है इसमें स्टमक इन आउट हमें करना है while coming up. Okay. Breathe out forcefully. Once again. Come up while breathing in. That is a very important part. Okay, this is called Bastrika. Then we'll do Sitkari. इसमें important क्या है? Your tongue to be rolled like that, okay, while coming up. As if you are breathing from your mouth. Important point is breathe in, close your mouth and take that breath inside. Don't put spit it out again, okay? And Shitali. This is to be done thrice, okay? If possible, you can do it more, but I will suggest 3 times. It gives a lot of peace, okay? Now, we'll do Ujjayi. There are 4 parts of Ujjayi, okay? I'll show you all 4. The first is called as pure Ujjayi. What is the point to be noted here? ब्रीथ इन करते समय इसे अंदर आना चाहिए. ब्रीथ आउट करते समय यू कैन एक्चुअली फील दैट. ओके, अगर आपको चेक करना है कि आप ठीक से कर रहे हो कि नहीं, तो यहाँ पे यू कैन जस्ट पुट योर हैंड हियर एंड यू कैन फील इट. ओके, नाउ we'll do Madhya Ujjayi. Your hands here, back straight. It's very natural to have a cough here. It shows that your chest is open, your lungs are all right, and you can go on. Okay. The third one, don't do like that. Okay, just catch softly. This here, this here. It's okay. Okay. Now, fourth one. Here, this is called as. So that was Ujjayi, Madhya Ujjayi, Tivra Ujjayi, that is third Ujjayi, and Ujjayi Omkar, which is the end part of Ujjayi. Sometimes the vibration can seem a little bit odd here, or it can seem odd near the ear, and it's totally fine. बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है. जब कोई भी पर्सन पहली बार उज्जयी करता है, यहाँ पे वाइब्रेट होना थ्रोट को स्ट्रेंज लग सकता है. The vibrations in the throat and the ear can feel a bit strange. It's our job to slightly handle it till our body gets a bit used to it. Okay, but yes, it helps you calm down instantaneously. So I'll encourage you to do that. Now, after Ujjayi, we'll do one of the most important parts of pranayama, that is pran akarshan. Okay, first of all, let me show you. There are 7 chakras in our body: Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Ajna, and this is the final chakra. जिसे टच नहीं करना होता है. So we are going to work on 6th chakra. If you touch the 7th chakra, okay, so you understand, right? Okay. Again, I'll repeat the names: Ajna, Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, Swadhisthana, Muladhara. Okay. And I'll repeat the position of each chakra: Muladhara near the anus, Swadhisthana lower abdomen, Manipur near the navel point, Anahat near heart, Vishuddhi near throat, and Ajna, that is forehead. Okay. So let's start. Good. For pranakarsan, please try to sit in Padmasana for this asana. Close your eyes, back straight, shoulder relaxed. Breathe in through each chakra: Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, it's Ajna. Breathe in through each chakra: Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Ajna. Relax yourself, relax your shoulder. Don't worry about your body. You may feel slightly uncomfortable because this is the first time you have closed your eyes and you are concentrating. If you feel uncomfortable, you can breathe in again, but try not to. Try to hold your breath. Also, Look towards God and He's always with you. Say whatever you want to say to yourself at this point. If possible, try to get rid of all the thoughts, but don't try to suppress them. Let your thoughts come and go. Just observe. Don't suppress anything. Okay? Then breathe out through each chakra. Ajna, Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. Once again, relax yourself, relax your shoulder. Breathe in through each chakra. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi. Ajna, relax yourself, relax your body. Forget all your thoughts, all your worries. Right now, you are with yourself. You are in absolutely safe place. Absolutely, there is no need to worry. Success is temporary, but peace is permanent. So right now, we are concentrating on peace. Now, let's breathe in through each chakra. Ajna, Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. Now don't suddenly open your eyes. Rub your palms on each other. Keep them on your face. Slowly see through the fingers. Please remember that when you are keeping your palms, don't keep them like that, otherwise your eyes will get hurt. Bend your hands like that and then keep them. Okay? Then see through the fingers. About the Pranakarshan, always remember that Jupiter is Pran. You'll learn more about that in astrology sessions, but I'll just mention. Pran Vayu means oxygen. Jupiter is Pran. So when we are going, we are aligning all the 6 chakras. Okay? Okay guys, so we have aligned the chakras. We have now relaxed our mind and we have provided oxygen to all the cells of our body from bottom to top and top to bottom. And now the final part. If we are angry on anybody, anything, and for some reason and we don't know how to express it before the exam, यार मुझे disturb मत करो यार type की feeling अगर आ रही है, तो everybody just has to do this one thing. It's called as Shiva Mudra. I'll just show it to you. Keep your hands like that. Don't keep like that. Keep it like that. And 1, 2, 3. That voice should come. Again. Then you will be fine. Again I show you. 1, 2, 3. You can look like a demon, but it's okay. You can feel like an angel if you look like a demon. So it's quite cool. Okay. In the next part of the adjusting your hormones, I will show you how to get along while preparing for the exams. This particular video was the pranayam video for just before the examinations. So this is having the 11 parts. I'll repeat the names of all the 11 parts. Okay. First was Omkar. Second was Bhramari. Third was Nadi Shodhan. Fourth was Kapal Bharti. Fifth was Vastrika, Shitkari, Shitali, Ujjayi. 4 parts we have done of Ujjayi. Then we also did Pranakarshan and we did Shiva Mudra. Okay. So guys, please concentrate on this before going for the examinations. Please do this either before the revision or after the revision as you are comfortable. Okay? Okay? So all the best guys. Continue to learn on Priyanka Fabulous and please subscribe. I love all of you.